Shoobies in the boss's house. Here we go. Here's Jeremy's dinner later.
Yep. And there's Justin's life now.
Yep, that's it right there. That's what my counter looks like. Pretty much. So another common call we get is my GFI has stopped working. Usually it's as simple as there's a test and reset button on here. This is the test button, which will trip it and shut it off. This red one here is the reset, which will restore power back to the plug. It's very good for kitchens, outdoors, garages. It's just to code anything near water that can get wet. If you have an appliance here that falls into the sink, it will shut this off so you don't get electrocuted trying to get the appliance out of the water. So this black button, I'll hit it right here. It will shut the power off to the GFI. The only way to restore it is to hit this reset button. If it doesn't reset, then obviously you're not getting power to the outlet, or you may find it, you reset it, it'll trip instantly. Then there's a problem with either GFI itself or another outlet along the line. In newer kitchens today, you could this outlet should be protected off of GFI as well. So if you were to plug in here and trip it, this GFI should trip, which would kill all the outlets in the line. Code today, you should have 2 minimum GFIs in your kitchen. They could be. So years ago, they used to put 1 GFI in the house and protect all the bathrooms, the garage, the outdoor, and the kitchen outlets off of a GFI. You're probably better off calling because there's going to be 1 GFI somewhere. It could be a GFI breaker in the panel. That's another option instead of doing the outlets. It's definitely something you should probably call to see what's going on. Definitely. It should be any home inspector that comes through. If he doesn't see GFIs around where they should be, it's definitely something they will flag, and you'll have to replace them or, give somebody credit on the sale.